Hi guys, how are you? Today in the recipe is Lahori chicken in my style. I saw this recipe and I really liked it. So I thought of trying it at home. So to make the Lahori chicken, you need the following. One full chicken, then you have Javitri and Jaffal. You need egg, some chilies. You need garam masala, which I'll explain to you, ginger garlic paste, and some curd. And I use mustard oil, so that's my favorite, so I'll use mustard oil as well. So now let's start preparing this. Now you add some Javitri and Jaffal, and then you start grinding it. Just now once this is done, take a bigger bowl and you put everything in this. To this mixture you add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, then you add haldi powder, about half a teaspoon. You add garam masala, about half a teaspoon. You add half a teaspoon or less of red chilies. You add about half a teaspoon of dhania powder. Add about 1 teaspoon of salt, a bit more, and add some degi mirch for color. So added about 2 spoons of degi mirch into this. I add a spoon of curd, or rather let me put 2 spoons of curd in this. One egg, and you make a paste out of this. So now your masala is ready. To it this, you can add a bit of mustard oil as well. I do it in all my tandoori dishes, so I have added some mustard oil and I'm mixing it again. So this completes your masala. So now the stage 2. So you make some deep cuts in the chicken. The cut should be deep. So deep cuts. Similarly, you make some cuts in the thighs as well. And some at the back, just some cuts. And then you put this in a vessel like this. Now pour the masala on top of the chicken. And I'll use my hand now to marinate this so that it is marinated well. Now this is marinated well. Now I'll leave it, sorry, this has mixed well. Now I'll leave this for marination for about 3 hours. And we'll see you again after 3 hours. Okay guys, so now we are back after 3 hours. And yes, look at the marination. It is done. So from here we will move to the third stage. So you take a pot and you place you can put a brick or a rock, whatever inside it. It should have a flat surface inside the pot. You fill it with water. Don't let the water reach up to the top. And after that, what we do is we place butter paper on top of this. So we will put a butter paper like this. Okay. And I'll put one more layer so that the water does not come on the top. It's only the steam which comes. So this is how you do it. You put some holes in the butter paper so that the steam can come out. Just ensure that it doesn't go inside the water. And now you place the chicken on top of this. I'll place the chicken like this and pour all the masala now. Switch on the gas, put it in the mid flame, and now since the chicken is coming out of the pot, so I cover it now with the same utensil in which I had marinated, and I will leave this for 40 minutes. I'll see you after 40 minutes. So we are back after 30 minutes and we'll just see what is the condition of the chicken. Okay, so this has been steamed well. So we'll close the gas. So now we'll take out the chicken and we will place it back in the utensil, let it cool for a while, and then we'll go to the fourth stage. Okay, we now start the fourth stage. We will first put the oven into for grilling with fan, and we'll place it at 180 degrees and we'll switch it on for a preheat. And while the preheat is happening, we move to the chicken. So now this has come to a room temperature. So we can simply pick it up and place it on top of the grill. And we brush some oil. Brush it nicely so that each and every part is covered. We'll put the oil inside as well, in the belly. Now we'll place this inside the oven. we'll cover this. Let it cook for about 5 minutes and we'll come back. In the actual, when you Lahori chicken, when you're making the Lahori chicken, as the fourth stage, you normally deep fry it in oil. But that's how, what I have done is that instead of deep frying it, we have put this in the oven to tandoor it. So we have kept this chicken for about 15 minutes and I think this is done. So your chicken Lahori is ready. You can switch off the oven and this is how your chicken Lahori looks. You can have this with mint. That's the best way to have. And yes guys, chicken Lahori is ready to serve with mint chutney. You can also have it with mint mayos. And thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you try this at home. Thank you.